Hi friends, welcome back to my channel for another Sadie Stickers mystery kit reveal. I have both the decorative and the weekly kit in here, and this is the June, yes, June. Let's see what month this one is. So this is the June mystery. I literally just got it today. It is June 26th, which is kind of crazy because I think these ship on the 25th. I feel like I just got this in a day. I probably did. Sadie Stickers is in Georgia and I'm in North Carolina, so not a super far commute here for this. But let's go ahead and take a look, you guys. This is like soft and pretty. I like snuck a peek at the weekly kit, but I haven't looked at the decorative at all. So I figured we could walk through it together kind of for the first time. So here's our vellums. This is a really pretty plaid, kind of like a tan and a blue, like a denim blue. And then this is really cool. I think it's street lights, and the theme is kind of like a rainy theme, so it's almost like you're looking through like a blurry window with like rain on the window with the lights. This is so cool. I really love this. I love this whole, like this whole thing is so soft. I feel like sometimes the rain kits can be like, usually they're like darker and moodier, which I love, don't get me wrong, but I really love this take on this like soft kind of collection here. So let's look at the weekly. This is the full boxes page. You've got like, look at this little park scene with like the rain in here, and it's just like an overcast day. This layering is really good. Our quote box says, "The rain traveled miles to find you, so will everything that is meant for you." Oh, I love a puddle. I love a puddle. You guys, look, we're starting to get fall. This is kind of like a transition kit, I feel like. This would be like a perfect early September kit because it's like very light, but it's got like the rainy transition. Like you got that coat there, that feels very fall to me, right? Is that a hat too? I can't tell. No, we've got headphones and a bag, okay. And then down here, we've got some little, oh my gosh, I didn't see those. There's little pumpkin cookies. Do you see them in their little face? That's so cute with like the little picture. Oh, I love this box. You guys, look at all these layers. There's like the plaid. Can you see that plaid back there? And then you've got, I don't know, this is kind of like almost like alcohol ink or like whatever in the background. And you've got a doily, you've got some deco pieces, you've got this little like tag hanging with the scene in the background, like this moody, look at the lights on the cars with the rain and the fog. And then you've got obviously your foil details. That's really beautiful. And then this like city building, the leaves have a little heart, how cute. And then your florals. So you've got a couple floral boxes there. Page 2 is our full boxes page. So we've got our like circles, ovals, squares, midi boxes, and then half boxes with some silver foil. And then we have our journaling or layering. I was going to say journaling, but it's like the layering page. You've got your little deco pieces here, and then your frames. The middle is cut out in those. Some more watercolor boxes, torn papers, grid papers. You guys look at these colors. Oh, this is like September perfection to me. I just love some of these like lighter, I feel like September for me is always like lighter kind of pastel-y fall, and then like October, November give me all the rich fall hues. I don't know. Anybody else do that, or am I like the only crazy one? And like in North Carolina, I feel like September is still like summer. So I don't know, but maybe that's why I want like light pastel. I don't know. Let me know. Do you theme your planner like that? I say that I do, but I haven't like planned in forever. So I don't know that I'm doing that, but that's what I would do. Okay, here's the bottom washi, the date covers, and your, what's the word I'm looking for? Dividers, headers. Here's our foil add-ons, kind of a little out of order, but it's here, so we'll go ahead and look at it. We've got the little blowing leaves, dividers and washi strips, some deco, stamps. You got the leaves, the little trails there as they fall, so pretty. And then we have the deco sheet. So we've got some large florals. Look at the cute bows in there. Ugh, love. And then there's a single bow there. So pretty. And then this here, this is like a receipt, but like an old weathered looking one. That's cool. And then you've got that clear umbrella, that tag that's in the one box, that jacket, and then some fashion girls. I'm loving the denim with this. I think it's really cool. This is the journaling page. I misspoke earlier. Monday through Sunday. Look at the florals. Oh, those colors are so pretty. Ooh, this is cool. It's like a paper, but it's got like that pattern in the background. Love that. Ooh, and this too. That's got a really pretty pattern. And this, look at, I love how she did that with a little stamp. Oh, Alicia, I like this. That's really cool. And then the florals on the torn edge there. Then you got like some smaller florals. You've got the frame and the stamp. And you've got, this is like that, got script in the background. Kind of like this. This like has script too. You can't really see it very well on the camera. So pretty. Oh, love this. And then here are our super soft, delicate florals. I'll go this way so you can see them all. A pretty light blue with kind of like a tannish color. And then the ivory. And then, oh, I guess I'll do this and flip it over so you can see them. These are the alcohol ink swatches. These are on washi. I think they all come on washi. I'm pretty sure they all come on washi. Maybe you have an option, but I feel like all the alcohol ink are on washi. Okay, so that is the weekly collection. And then let's look at the decorative. I have not pulled this out of here at all yet, so let's take a look at this one and see what goodies we have in here. Okay, so this actually, let me grab one of these so we can hold this up here. I do get my decorative on washi paper. You can get yours on premium if you prefer that paper type. But I am a washi girl through and through. So this is our flowers page. So we've got all of the really pretty individual pieces of flowers. I love this color because it's like almost like a blush pink, but peach. It's like kind of tan. I don't know. I just think it's so pretty. And then we have our bouquets. We do have the silver sprinkle foil. Again, love that bow on there. Ooh, this one has one too, and this one. Good, I love the bows. It just adds such a like fun touch to that. I always say fun. I need to come up with different words, you guys. If you watch my videos lately, I'm just sorry, okay? I say fun for like everything, and I don't know why. I'm doing the Sister of the Traveling Journal, and the one that I have right now, it's like you're supposed to put in your like your favorite word, and I wouldn't say fun is my favorite word, but I say it the most, so I feel like I have to put that in the journal because I say it all the time. Okay, here's our elements page. We've got that receipt again and the clear umbrella. This cute little like, is this like a snack and a drink? Yeah, that's fun. Fun, see, there it is. Oh my gosh. Ugh, you guys, I need to expand my vocabulary. Okay, this is so cool. Is this like a little library cart? This looks like a library cart. I am so here for that. That is so stinking cool. Maybe, okay, maybe this is like a library. Let's pretend that's a library because that would go with this theme, right? Fun fact, I used to work in a library when I was younger. It was one of my favorite jobs. Yeah, look, because there's more books. And there's a pretzel. Look at the little pumpkin cookie. It's so cute. His little teeny smile. Oh, I love that. Alrighty, we have our edges. So we've got the flat edges, a couple corners, and then some larger floral pieces. We have the beautiful silver foil that matches the foiled add-on. And then here's our layered page, always one of my favorites. Ooh, I love that staircase. That's so pretty. That's not in any of these, right? No, oh no, it's not. So that's different. I am here for it. Maybe the fancy library, I'm making a story, okay? Maybe this is a fancy library and it has this cool staircase in it. What do we think? We can just like live vicariously through this kit and pretend that that is some super fancy library. And maybe they serve treats like this in the library too. Yeah, let's go with it. It's called Oak & Co. because that's what's on here. Oh, I love this layering right here too with the gingham behind it, or the plaid, not gingham, sorry, plaid. And then this does match the one full box. We've got that cardigan, a bike, and then that puddle scene. And here are the paper strips. Yeah, paper strips, yes. Sometimes I like think that I get the name wrong. Look how cool this is. With that pattern behind there. I love that one she chose. Ooh, and that has like a, almost like a half coffee ring. Then you've got that like crinkly paper with the writing, the florals. It's very vintage, like soft and feminine though. Okay, here are our days and dates. We've got the Monday through Sunday, some notes and to do, and then our date dots, like that peachy blush kind of color. These are the borders. We've got 3 shorter ones and then 2 regular like washi length ones. I say washi length, you know what I mean, like bottom washi length. I don't know, what would you call that? Full page? Not sure. Okay, our scene. So we've got the puddle scene again. And then the big building that I'm calling the Fancy Library that has a cafe in it. That's what we're going with. And these are the box swatches. So we've got the floral, we've got 2 different floral ones. We have the same quote box that's on the full boxes. This is the same as one of the full boxes as well. And so are these, just in like a smaller form. And then we have our swatches. Oh, look at that. It's got the writing behind it with the crinkled vintagey paper, with the pretty florals. That is beautiful. And then of course we have the foiled add-on. It is the same one as the weekly, so you have one for each if you've bought both collections. If you just get one, obviously you just have one foiled add-on, but if you're like me and you have both, then you need both foiled add-ons. So that's everything for the June mystery. And you guys, we're seeing fall, so that means July will probably have fall as well, which is exciting because fall is my favorite time of year. It's my favorite for kits. So I cannot wait to see what Alicia comes up with for that. But that's everything for this one. As a reminder, if you did want to purchase anything, you can't get these in the shop after. You can always email hello@sadiestickers.com. They can see if they have extras, if there's one that you didn't get that you really are like regretting. But otherwise, you have to sign up. So sign up and get your monthly subscription. But if you want to purchase anything else in the shop, I do have a freebie and a code. Let me show you my freebie. My code is Cassie20. So if you want to save 20% on anything, let me flip this the right way. This is my freebie. So stay close to people who feel like sunlight. Just a really fun, beachy, there you go, fun again, beachy freebie. So, and then these are like nice little borders that you can peel off as well. So you can use that, 20% off. If you stack it on new releases, those are already usually 10% off. So you get a really good deal when you do that. So if you see things come out, I post that on my Instagram and share that. Make sure that you get it the weekend. Well, usually it's like the whole week, I think, that they're 10% off, so you can stack my code and save more money. But that's going to be everything for this one, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.